Did not I tell you last week that NG may achieve a $8 level, and then from there a drop is must this week because it is highly overbought. This is the power of analysis of candlestick charts and indicators. Now again, we'll try to see what can happen next week, where we should take an entry and what could be our take profits. Everything I'm gonna tell you in this analysis. Those who are new, let me share that I share my daily update on natural gas with the Asia cash session, and that also include crude oil, gold, silver as commodities, and index including Dow Jones, Nasdaq, FTSE 100, Germany, and India index. Also, the weekly analysis for these instruments are already uploaded. Do watch, do like, share, subscribe, and comment, and do press the bell icon. Now let's start the day here. Now look at the weekly charts for gold. It is still very much in this upward trending channel, and if you look at how beautifully it is trying to give it a support here. Now look at this. I have always told that 64-65 zone is very important for NG, and if it breaks, we may see a further good fall. Now again, it has come back to 66.5 levels, and if it breaks 6.5, 6.4 zone, we may see a very good fall. How far this could go? This can again come back to here at $6 levels, but I'll be watchful. Why I am saying so? Because this is just on the weekly charts, and it's still, there is still lot much of upward move for NG to cover up. However, I think it is retraced nicely, and yes, a support at 6.4 6.5 zone is imminent. Breaking 6.4, we may see a good drop which might take it towards downside. However, if you see it trading above 6.8 and specifically $7 levels, the $7 levels are now going to act as a imminent and strongest resistance. Beyond that, it will try to fly again on the upside. Now look at the monthly candle. Why monthly charts? Because this is going to be the last trading week for the month, and the candle will decide how it is going to perform next month also. Now look at this. Probably it may try to come back till towards $6 levels, and from next month onwards, either it may try to see a little rise and then a drop should follow. That can be expected, or else. Now look at this. This is clearly trading in this upward trending channel, and that is what I had said earlier. Long time back I have told I am bullish on NG, and from these levels itself we have seen a good rise. So first support here at 3.6 levels and $3 levels, which was very much evident, and since then we have seen a good rise. Now the support here at $4 levels. So probably now, if you see it trading, this is an expanding triangle. If you see it trading above 6.8, then yes, you can remain long. The target is $7, and beyond $7 levels, it is again going to enter into a bullish zone, and the candle might close at a high, and then the next month will decide. However, I will be still expecting it to drop till towards $6 levels, and from there it will decide the course for the next month. Now this is about the daily, weekly and monthly charts. Let's have a look at the daily chart. On the daily candle, you can find achieving the highs here, and at this time, with the help of indicators in my daily analysis, I have told that very clearly achieving $8 levels. First of all, we had expected it to achieve $8 levels. Now see, it will try to come back to this zone at 6.4 6.5 levels. So this is going to remain a strongest support, and breaking 6.4, yes, you can expect $6 levels to provide the next support, and then it will drop till towards 5.5 levels. I'll be watchful and cautious here with the rise on the upside. Now also look at this. These two candles, lower highs have been created, and hence $7 levels are now going to act as a imminent and strongest resistance for any upward move. So I'll be cautious here. Now we have seen the daily charts. Also now let's have a look with the help of indicators. What does the indicators are suggesting? So one point on the daily charts, these levels are at 6.5. You can find this is the 20 period moving average, which is going to give it a very strong support, and that is why we can see it is failing to go past this zone. Also this is the previous consolidation zone. So yes, 6.4 6.5, if it sustains above this zone, one can remain long, and breaking this, we may expect a good drop till towards $6 levels, and beyond that it will fall nicely towards 5.5 in the coming days. Now look at the daily stochastic. It was overbought here. That is why I have told that it is extremely overbought and a drop is must. Now look at this. The lag or the variance is still far behind, and hence it may continue with couple more red candles. Also, one must observe that on the daily charts, here it is, you can see that there is little retracement or greener candle there, and this is the first candle after this. So probably we may see one or two more red candles before it looks forward to a little retracement on the upside, and hence $6 levels cannot be denied, and from there it can come back till towards 6.2 6.4 levels once again towards the end of the week. Now look at the daily charts. It has just crossed over, the MACD has just crossed over, it is still divergent and still on sell, and hence one or two more red candles can be expected. These are going to be sharper red candles. So till midweek we may see it dropping continuously, and from there a rise can be expected. Similarly, the RSI was extremely overbought. That is where we have expected that it is going to drop from there. That is what exactly has happened. Now this is on the daily charts. Let's have a look at the weekly candle here. On the weekly charts, the support zone is far behind at around 4.5 4.6 zone, and yes, it may try to come back, but whether it is going to happen soon or not, let's have a look. See, the stochastic here is overbought and now looking downwards, so probably we may see one or two more red candles which might bring this weekly stochastic again on the oversold side, and then the rise can happen. So yes, for this week also we can expect it to drop till towards $6 levels, and the high at 6.8 or $7 levels cannot be denied. Even if you see it at 7, one can still try to enter a short position, and one can expect that it may try to break 6.4 strongly. Then $6 levels are almost there, and below that it may try to go back till towards 5.7 5.5 levels. Now look at the weekly stochastic is also overbought here, and the highs have been done, so probably we may see a retracement, and we may see uh, NG to converge, giving couple or more red candles, hence a drop can be expected. It was overbought and now looking downwards. So this is what is evident here on the weekly charts. On the monthly charts, the indicator, the support at $4 levels. Monthly candle, monthly stochastic is still at comfort zone. MACD is wide divergent and still bullish. RSI is still looking upwards and towards overbought zone. So considering this, let me give you the trading levels for next week. First, let's talk about where to go long. See, if you see NG trading at 6.7, you can take a long entry there at 6.7. The next target is 6.82 and the next target is $7 levels. This is going to be a fairly strong resistance zone for NG. If it continues to rise beyond 7, there is nothing like that. This is going to remain strongly bullish. Then 7.2, 7.4 can be expected. Beyond this, it can again try to rise, and sky is the limit on the upside. So, but yes, it can try to reverse or retrace from anywhere in between this zone. Hence, try to shift your stop loss. Once you achieve a target, shift your stop loss at the first target and trade profitably, or close your 50% of the position and take the next trade accordingly. So yes, now on the downside, because I'll be looking forward to a little break, and yes, you can go short here at 6.45. If it breaks 6.45, my next target is 6.38, and below 6.38 I will directly expect it to achieve 6.25, 6.1, and then $6.0 levels. So till here it is fine. It can drop till $6 levels. Below that also one can expect 5.9 levels, and then towards 5.72. So probably we may see a little rise, then a drop, or a drop then a rise. However, I think first we may see a little drop where it can try to drop till towards 6.38 6.45 zone, and from there a little rise can be expected, but ultimately followed with a drop. Or else first 2 days itself we may see a good drop, taking it towards $6 and below $6 level, and from there after the midweek we may see a little rise again on NG, and you can expect that it may try to close at around 6.4 $6.3 levels, and that will decide the course for the next month. So take your positions accordingly. We can expect that till midweek it may try to drop a little. Take your positions accordingly. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. And yes, if you have any trading or training related queries, you can reach out to me via telegram or email. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my mentorship course. The next batch is starting on 9th of May. The strategies taught in this 15-day course will definitely help you become a profitable trader. Also, you can be part of my VIP signals group and just trade as per the levels provided, definitely you can profit. So thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead, trading week ahead, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a great day.